I say I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away.
Hi everyone, I'm Diana. Welcome back. Today we will be opening up this package which I received in the mail. This shop is owned by the YouTuber Elisa Bush and she has an extraordinary style, so I'm very happy to be opening this. They sell vintage dresses and I have ordered I think 3 dresses. I also have another dress that I already opened up. I received it in another package. We're gonna start with having a look at that and trying it on and styling these dresses. So let's go. All right, so look at this dress. It's totally amazing. And as you can see, it goes all the way to the floor. I'm barefoot right now, so I don't have to wear high heels with this. These little puffer sleeves are super cute. I like this little frill. This is what it looks like from the back side. This is a top that I ordered. I ordered this top in size medium, small medium. It's red and gold. It can be worn, or it should be worn, off shoulder. I believe this color is Singola top, and it's a crop top, and it has butterfly sleeves. I put on this blouse and I love it, love it, love it. I am gonna try to see what this looks like with, wait, these are different size earrings. I'm gonna get the matching pair. I thought it'd be nice to have it with some gold hoops. Also, you could wear it with this in your hair. I chose to pair it with these black pants.
What can I say? I need more than desire, more than just a pretty face. So girl, you better walk away. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Only one love at the side of the fire. Someone who can handle me. Someone cut your heart too deep. Oh yeah, oh yeah. If you try to come closer, I'ma give you some closure. Before you know it, it's over. So run away, run away. I'm not trying to hurt you, but I will if I have to. I'ma tell you what I do. Run away, run away. Baby, I'm a fighter, never backing down. Baby, I'm a soldier, standing my ground. So if you're gonna fight me for my heart, are you gonna...
So this is a kimono. It says that it's 70% silk and 30% polyester, so the quality is nice. And it's made in India. Pattern is amazing, and it's also embellished with these really small crystals. All right, so this is the kimono. I really love it. It's super comfortable. It's super cute. It's perfect to be walking around the house and still feeling chic. This is just amazing for just chilling at home. I could totally see this being worn as a dress, or going to the beach and like going to the restaurant. You can have this with like a beautiful hat and your beach bag and you'll be good to go. I think it's beautiful. So happy I chose this color and this pattern. I'm super happy with this. I think it's beautiful. It's so comfortable. Next item, something small again. These are earrings. I believe they're like 60s inspired. These are not vintage, I believe, but I'm not sure. And they are in a pale pink and baby blue color. Next up is a vintage dress. The brand is Erel Collection Paris. It's actually made in France, it says. It has a huge collar around the whole dress. It has a zipper in the back. So this is the pink dress. I think it's gorgeous. The skirt is very flowy. It has this band that you can tie around the waist. This is what it looks like in the back. I think it's really nice. Now I put my hair up, but I also think it looks good with hair down. And I put on like the only pink earrings I have. I think they look kind of cute with this dress. Wow, it's totally amazing. It's off shoulder. It has a little puffy sleeve and it has a zipper in the back. It's very like body fitted. I was a bit worried that this might be too small for me. It was said to be an extra small, but now looking at it, I think I will fit into this. Wow, this is my new favorite dress. It's so classy. I mean, it's like a cocktail dress or a dress that you would wear going to the opera, to theater, to dinner, to any party during the winter. I could wear it for Christmas, New Year's, my birthday in January, you name it. I liked it with my hair up because then you can really see the back of the dress. But I also think that it would look good with hair let down. Also, I have the perfect little accessory to pair with this dress. Last Christmas, my boyfriend gave me this little box and it has the cutest little vintage purse in it. It has real Swarovski crystals and every little crystal is still there, so it's very well preserved. It has this little silk fabric on the inside. Not much fits into this bag, but it's super cute. I would probably wear some black shoes to go with it, like slip-in heel ones, or I would wear shoes that are embellished like this, that goes together with the bag, and then wear earrings with Swarovski crystals as well. I think that would look really nice.